Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install games from a Google Play Store but you can't seem to find them using Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and here actually try to find the games like Call of Duty. As you can see, there's an icon for it right here, but if we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, go back. Here in the home page, click on your profile picture, open a settings, select family and go for parental controls. Here you can either disable them entirely or enter apps and games, insert your PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and go back. Now you should be able to find your favorite games and install them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.